Miranda Love here, coming to you live in the Art of Attracting High Ticket Clients on LinkedIn group. So, what I want to cover with you today is I don't know about you, but a lot of people that we speak with every day, they're struggling to find the right ideal person on LinkedIn and they're struggling to get clients from LinkedIn. They're spending a lot of time each day doing activities on there, but nothing is yielding clients. They're writing articles, they're doing posts, they're sometimes even paying somebody to help them do this. So, I don't know if that's you or not, if that resonates with you, but a lot of the coaches and consultants that we speak with, that's what it is that they're doing. Sometimes they're even paying somebody to run their LinkedIn account, but they're not getting any clients. So, what I'm going to cover with you today is the 4-step, very simple process that we use to getting your high ticket clients on LinkedIn. So, the very first process is you want to be very specific. If you want to get good clients on LinkedIn, you need to cultivate a list of connections of your right ideal client. With LinkedIn, with their Sales Navigator tool, you can even hone in on who it is that you're looking for with the size of company that they have, how long that they've been in their position, and other things like that to really kind of find the companies that you're wanting to work with, or the business owners that you're wanting to work with, or the executives as well. We have a lot of clients who use LinkedIn to get executive coaching clients and life coaching clients as well. So it's not just for B2B, it's also for the B2 professionals is what it is, I call it, that are on LinkedIn, because that's who's on LinkedIn. They're only going to be on LinkedIn because they're looking to grow their business or their career. So the first step is all about targeting the right people, finding the right people. If you don't have the right people, then you're not going to get the clients that you want. You're going to be getting tire kickers or the wrong type of clients. So you want to target the right ones. And again, sometimes with Sales Navigator, or you can do this with just the basic sales search, the basic search on LinkedIn. So that is the number one step. And then what do? You send them an invite. You want to send them an invite to connect. LinkedIn is a good place. You don't have to, it's not like Facebook where you should only be accepting people that you're just friends with. If you send them an invite, we have an acceptance rate typically of 20 to 30% of the people, even if they don't know who you are, that will accept your message. And that's how we do it, is sending them an invite to connect on LinkedIn. Now you can send about 100 invites a day. It really just varies on depending on how big your account is, on how many numbers of invites that you can send a day with LinkedIn. And they don't really share that with us, but I usually say about 100 a day is a good way to start. And then you want to also remove your old connections. Like if they haven't accepted a connection request with you in a month or so, go ahead and remove that. So that way you're not using up your space to invite your number of invites with somebody that's not really wanting to, not on LinkedIn or not really wanting to connect in that way. So go ahead and send your ideal target clients a invite to connect, and that's the way that you want to do it. Then what do you do now after you have the connections? Well, whenever you want to go ahead and use LinkedIn's direct messaging format and send them a message. Now, what it is that you want to say in your message is very key here. You want to be very specific about how you can help them, and you want to offer them to go to one particular thing that really establishes your authority, like a webinar. That's what it is that we use. I send my invites to my ideal target clients, and then I send them a DM requesting or talking about their pain points and letting them know about a video that I have, that a webinar that I have that can help them with their pain points. So that's how we do that, very much with the messaging. Now, that one piece of killer content needs to be something that establishes your authority and speaks to your ideal clients in their language, so that way they know what it is that they know that you know what it is that they're going through and that your solution is the best one. So you don't want to send them a message with a whole bunch of links and just send them a message to say, check out my website, without giving them a reason to click. You really need to give them something that's solid and specific to them, that you know your ideal client will want to click on and go to your webinar, for example, or your video, and go ahead and watch that video. So it needs to be something that establishes your authority on LinkedIn and really speaks again to your ideal clients, their pain points. And if you get this right, even if they don't know who you are, you're able to go from high ticket client, from invite to connect on LinkedIn, to sales call to high ticket client in we've done it as fast as 72 hours, and our clients have as well. So it really works whenever you do it that way and you're speaking to your ideal client in their terms. And then on that webinar, we don't try to sell on that webinar. The only thing that we're doing on the webinar is inviting them to book a free sales call. And that just kind of takes that, what you teach them on the webinar, a little bit further, and to see if it's a good fit to work together, give them a chance to ask any questions that they might have. And even if they don't know who you are, you're going to be able to enroll the right clients whenever you have the right targeting, the right messaging, and the right way of doing a right piece of content that establishes your authority, and then also the right, have a formula that you're following for your sales call where you're asking key questions that really discovers their pain point, and then you're able to map out your system for them of how you're gonna be able to help them and on that sales call, and then enroll them into your high ticket program. So that's how we do it. It's very simple. Again, just to recap, you start with targeting your ideal right client. That's very important. You got to start there. Use Sales Navigator if you have to really dive in and find the right client that you're looking for, and send them an invite to connect, and then send them a DM, a direct message, inviting them to attend your webinar or inviting them to watch your video. That in right is your message has to be cleverly crafted for them to be able to want to click on that message and go to watch your authority piece. It needs to be something, and the webinar should be something that really establishes your authority, lets your ideal clients know that you understand them, your pain points, and that you are the only one that has a solution for getting them out of their pain and letting them know what it is that they really want. And then you got to be able to nail that sales call. So that's what it is that we do here at Ninja Growth Strategies. Is we help our clients with this entire process. We help our clients set up this formula, set up their funnel of gravitating the LinkedIn, of pulling the right people from LinkedIn on to watch their webinar, and then on to book a sales call. So you need to have a good format for all of those things. And if that's something that you don't want to talk about, then we can definitely help you with that. So why don't you go ahead and book a call with me now, so that way you can decide if it is something that is right for you, and if you need help with these pieces to bring in your ideal clients. And you can go to businesscoachaccelerator.com/growth to book a time with me to speak with me. The times are very limited, so you want to make sure that you go ahead and click on that now and go to businesscoachaccelerator.com/growth and book a time to speak with me or either one of my team members here at Ninja Growth Strategies, and we'll be able to walk you through this process and see if it's a good fit. So that's what I have for you today. I hope that you take this information and go ahead and run with it on LinkedIn, give you something good to do there. So it really doesn't matter what you're posting on LinkedIn or writing articles. It matters what it is that you're saying in that message, and that you're sending them to an authority piece. And so that's what it is that we help our clients do here at Ninja Growth Strategies all day long, be able to funnel their high ticket clients from LinkedIn into their high ticket programs. So again, if that's something that you'd like some help with, then reach out. We'll be happy to talk with you on the phone and answer any questions that you might have. And that's about all I have for you today. It really is super simple. So don't get all hung up on what all is supposed to be on there. Just follow that simple formula that I just mapped out for you, and post below this video and let me know if it's working for you and if you're getting clients. And if you'd like some help with that, then reach out to us as well. We can talk with you about that. That's about all I have for you today. It's been Myranda Love, the CEO and founder of Ninja Growth Strategies. It's been my pleasure to be here with you, and we will talk soon. Bye. Bye.